Give me 2 minutes and I'll show you how I turned this quarantine into a cash machine. I used to be a used car salesman making a pathetic $10,000 a month. Now I'm making twice that selling Purell on Amazon. My entrepreneur lifestyle lets me travel the world.
Cash only, get out of here, come on, come on.
I just spent a week in Italy. I lived in China for a whole month last year. I'll show you the secret to how I got my cruise extended by 2 weeks for free. The problem is most of you are stuck on COVID-19. I'm already thinking COVID-22, COVID-23. If you're not thinking COVID-26 by now, you missed the boat. Insider tip, I just heard Trump's about to say oregano cures coronavirus. I cleared out the whole grocery store. While stocks are down, it's the perfect time to buy. And they said this might be the longest recession ever. You can buy cheap stocks for years. They said everyone should buy a mask, so I bought thousands. What's your excuse? You're stuck at home? You lost your job? You're on a ventilator? No excuses. You could still be making money. The hustle never stops around here. It's allergies, I swear. Psst, hey, you know you're gonna have some downtime. You might even spend a couple of weeks in a hospital. Why not get some use out of it by buying my online course, Corona Cash Flow? You'll learn how to create an artificial demand for toilet paper, buy cleaning supplies from the distributor so they never even make it to the store. Find out the legal loophole that lets you sell disinfectant wipes out the trunk of a car in a Walmart parking lot. You can go directly to hell. You won't even pass go. Just use my discount code Corona. Is this tone deaf? I honestly can't tell. Yeah, I got Lysol. It's $30 a can. Yeah. You're a hospital? 40. Do you hear that? That's opportunity knocking.
FBI, open up.